This is a 2006 Chevy Silverado 3500 dually 4x4 crew cab. 160,000 miles, but the transmission and engine and turbo were replaced about 8,000 miles ago. Full records. Flatbed. Truck's in great condition. It's an LT, so leather, heated seats, Bose sound. Allows you to work in comfort for sure. Vehicle is running. It needs absolutely nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Has a gooseneck with plug. Tow package front and back. Branch hand grill guard. Leather seats. Heated seats, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise, 4x4, Carfax report, 160,000 miles on the body. Interior is in very good condition for its age. A little bit of wear on the driver's seat. Power seats, brand new tires, so this is an 06 Chevy Silverado 3500 crew cab 4x4 with a flatbed, dually, new engine, transmission, and turbo about 8,000 miles ago, in very, very good condition.